skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today I am going to be teaching falling leaf jumps. Falling leaf jumps are a really fun, simple half rotation jump. You can do them either really small as a fun little piece of footwork or just all alone in a more beginner program, or they can be done in a full split jump version. They are both really great to do, and I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about how to do both versions. So you don't need any preliminary jumps to do this. You will want to have a nice strong back outside edge so you can work on those edges. You can do it from a 3 turn, so knowing your inside 3 turns going forward, that's very helpful. But you don't need to know any jumps to lead up to this one. All right, so if you're ready, let's get started. We're actually going to head over to the wall to do a little bit of preliminary learning with the safety of the wall. So here at the wall, I'm going to teach you the basic motion of the jump. All right, then we're going to upgrade it a little bit and head out to the middle. So the jump takes off of a backward outside edge. Since I'm right-handed and I like to rotate counterclockwise, I'm going to be demonstrating it that way, but if you're like rotating the other way, just reverse these directions. So I am going to be doing this on my right back outside edge, all right? So I'm going to be gliding on that right back outside edge, so a little bit of a curve, and leaning slightly towards the wall because those edges, we always lean a bit, right? So from here, I'm going to jump off of that right edge. You'll use a little bit of the toe pick, but it's really a strong jump off of the ball of the foot, okay? So you're going to take that left leg, your free leg, and it's going to move around you as you're gliding backwards. You're going to open up your shoulders nice and strong. You're going to jump off that right leg, land on the left toe pick, and glide forward. So just like a half flip or a half lutz, your exit is going to be the same as those, so that right forward inside edge. Okay, so that you can kind of reference those jumps if you've already learned those. If you haven't, I'll link those videos down below so you can learn those as well. Okay, so let's go over this again. We're on our right back outside edge. Open our body up to face away from the wall. Okay, so my shoulders and my hips are kind of in alignment with each other. We're not twisted, okay? Shoulders and hips in alignment. As we jump off of the right foot, the left leg is going to kick up, and then we're going to land on that toe pick. Kick. Okay, so that's the basic motion here on the wall. You can practice that. When you're ready, head out to the middle. Once you have gotten comfortable with it out on the wall, we can head back to the center ice. Now this can be done from a 3 turn or from back crossovers. They're great to know both ways, all right? I want you to actually think about practicing them both ways. You're gonna want some flexibility in how you learn how to do this so that you can put it into your program in different ways. You can do it as jump combos. So you wanna learn both versions of an entry. So I'm gonna start with that 3 turn. I'm using this circle just for reference, again, so you can kind of see the shape of what I'm doing, but it doesn't have to be done on a circle by any means. All right, so I'm going to start with my right forward inside 3 turn. Now that is going to put me on the same edge as we did on the wall, that right back outside edge, okay? So I have a nice checked 3 turn as if you're just doing the 3 turn all by itself, okay? Just practice doing that exactly how you might do it if you're doing it as a 3 turn exercise. Once you get onto that outside edge, you're going to open those shoulders up just like we did on the wall, all right? So we're going to go inside 3 turn, open up the shoulders and hips exactly the way we did it on the wall. And here is your entry for the jump. So once again, we have our 3 turn onto our outside edge, open up your shoulders and hips, jump off the ball of your foot, and you're going to land on that toe and then push onto the right forward inside edge. But one of those things you really want to strive for with your falling leaf jump is to have fairly straight knees. And it's not going to happen right away, but as you build that small falling leaf jump up to a more split falling leaf jump, you want to have those knees straight. It just gives it a much more elegant look. So the front leg, the kicking leg, people often bend, okay, quite a bit because they're aiming for that toe pick. So really put some effort in to get that straight front knee. So go 3 turn, and really try to get those knees as straight as you can. Now this jump, again, the falling leaf jump, you can put it in your program even at really low levels. Once your legs get to be about 90 degrees, a 90-degree split, then we start considering it a split jump, and that's reserved for when you've tested to a little bit of a higher level. But I want you to work towards that, because once you get a big split jump, oh my goodness, they're so exciting to put in your programs and really show off that amazing position. We also want to learn that split jump or that falling leaf jump from back crossovers. So I am going to be doing my left over right backward crossovers. I'm going to be setting up like a loop jump. So if you've learned a loop jump from back crossover, it's the same kind of setup. So I'm going to put my weight onto my right foot. My left foot is just there for balance. I'm going to open my shoulders up and kick that left leg open. So besides having those knees nice and straight while you're working on this falling leaf jump, you can think of this jump as a kick. That helps you get that jump a little bit bigger. So your front leg or your left leg is going to kick out slightly before your right leg, like you're leaping over something. Kick. So you get boom, boom. Now it happens so fast that you probably aren't even going to see that on the really, really big jumps, all right? It happens so fast, boom, boom. But while you're practicing it, you can think of left, right, okay? Like you're leaping over something, boom, boom, okay? Now, my split falling leaps aren't quite as big as they used to be. This used to be one of my very, very favorite jumps. And as a teenager, I would do them in a really big split. But it's been quite a few years since then. So I was lucky enough to get 2 people to come out here and demonstrate for you what a full split falling leaf looks like. So our first demonstration is going to be from Paulo Borromeo, one of the coaches here at Skate Town. Our second demo is from Bella Martinez, one of the few people in the world to have passed ISI Level Freestyle 10. Oh my goodness, I just love seeing skills executed really, really, really well. And both of those skaters have a fantastic split falling leaf jump. That is like inspiration goals right there. So that's something you can work towards. It takes quite a bit of stretching, takes a lot of strength and a lot of practice, but it's definitely achievable. So if that's something you'd like to do, work on it, and a little bit over time, you'll get there. Now, one of the fun things that I like to do with a split falling leaf is connect them together. And as you do them, you can kind of build some momentum so your split jumps can get a little bigger, a little stronger, a little faster. Even if you just do 2 in a row, it's fun to connect them. So I'm going to start with my first one from a back crossover. When I land, I'm going to push into an inside 3 turn and do another one. So you're kind of connecting those 2 different entries that I taught you. So we have the first one from crossovers. The landing is going to turn into an inside 3 turn, and you can do another one. Split. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that one, and I look forward to seeing all your falling leaf jumps on Instagram, so make sure you tag me at Skating Coach Julia so I can see all your progress. As always, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do give us that thumbs up if you did, and I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.